Hello everyone, I'm 𝙒𝙖𝙬𝙉𝙠𝙇𝙄𝑗. My research topic is the correlation between black hole evaporation rate and time, which aims to find out the evaporation process of a black hole according to Hawking radiation. So, what is Hawking radiation? It's a special radiation which happens near the edge of a black hole. When the process starts, the black hole will lose its mass and size, leading to the disappearance of the black hole. However, the evaporation is pretty slow, so it will be difficult for us to see when it starts to evaporate and when it disappears. But still, we can determine whether it is possible to be observed if we adopt some methods. For example, we can use simplified formulas to calculate the time needed with the different mass levels of black holes. Then we find the heavier the black hole, the slower the evaporation rate. We can also calculate the difference of angular size of a black hole with the distance and change of its radius. By doing so, we can predict whether we can see a process of the evaporation or not. Are you interested in my research? Do you want to know more about it? I sincerely invite you to my poster and enjoy the wonderful journey to black holes. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dorothy, and my research topic is the relationship between core collapse supernova light curves and their host galaxies. I guess most of you never heard of the nouns in my topic. So, first of all, what are core collapse supernova? Supernovae are very powerful and sudden explosions of stars and can be classified into several types. Different types of supernova have different explosion mechanisms and different features in their optical spectra or light curves. Core collapse means that they explode because of the collapsing of the cores of the stars, which usually happens at the end of the nuclear fusion reactions. Then what are light curves? A light curve is a graph that shows the change of the brightness or luminosity of an object over a period of time. When it comes to the light curve of a supernova, as you can imagine, the curve climbs up at the beginning, reaches the peak, then declines. In type 2 supernova, if the light curve has a plateau phase, then it is classified into type 2p. Last but not least, what are host galaxies? A host galaxy is the galaxy where the supernova is located, and the progenitor star is what we call the supernova before the explosion. This work aims to connect the characteristic of core collapse supernova progenitor star and the light curve properties by studying the parameters of their host galaxies, such as color, mass, star formation rate, and specific star formation rate. If you're interested in what I mentioned above, welcome to my poster. See you then.
大家好，我是地科专题的𝙧𝙖𝙬𝙠𝙠𝙠𝙠 我的研究题目是液态生质燃料的生命周期评估。目前发展出很多替代化石燃料的能源，其中有使用生物质所制成的生质燃料。生物质包括粮食作物、非粮食作物以及藻类等物质。换句话说，大致上是取现生植物中的成分而非化石来作为燃料。为了更加了解使用生质燃料相较于使用化石燃料究竟环保了多少，因此本研究使用非粮食作物稻杆为例，计算制造成酒精的生命周期评估，来得知液态的生质燃料从种植作物转换成酒精，最后燃烧，这整个周期之内产生的各种温室气体，并将这些温室气体对暖化的影响程度换算成容易比较的二氧化碳当量来进行评估。黑色框表示有排放温室气体的过程，而灰色面积是本研究采取生命周期评估的范围。想知道更多细节吗？欢迎来海豹长上半场找我。我是𝙧𝙬𝙬，谢谢大家。